You want to grow your YouTube channel in 2021? Well, I have some solutions for you and some tips also that'll help you grow, because every YouTuber faces many obstacles, and I'll do that in just 2 minutes, so watch the video till the end. Tip number 1 is be consistent. You have to make sure that you give yourself time, but I know it's a bit tough, you have to be so patient. Well, you can be a missionary, have a voice, have a meaning, and give yourself some sort of target about why are you on YouTube. Give yourself a fury. Because of that, it will always keep pushing you to not quit on YouTube. Tip number 2 is find the flaws. Find what is right, find what you are not good at, because that is the only way for you to keep mastering this huge challenge. Well, how can you do this? Compare and keep learning. Compare your videos with another big YouTuber. Pretty much they all use apps like iMovie or Filmora or more to edit their videos and make them look professional. And you can use those too. Tip number 3 is find a buddy. Find a person who you trust and a person who you think will guide you by telling you your mistakes. That person should not be in too much relation, otherwise they might feel bad for you, but that person can really guide you. Now, don't be heartbroken. Well, there are so many tools out there like Google, which can give you the answers to applications, vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which will obviously help you.
Life finds a way.
Very right. Well, tip number 4 is experiment. Keep experimenting. See what you're good at, see what you're not good at, see what your audience wants, see what they don't want. Like YouTube Shorts, it might be your thing. You're good in those things. Making short videos, 10-minute videos, 5-minute videos, and so many other. Keep experimenting, change your niche in another channel, see what you're good at. Well, thanks for watching.